over here, this is one of the main properties that they have on this island called Pearl Sands. It is separate from the island itself, but this is like a mini resort.
Let us have a look. Nothing wrong. One chapter more go.
We can't go inside.
Okay. Then
It's a private property.
Yeah.
Then bypass.
So it's maintained within the island itself.
Yeah, it's run by a German guy.
Yeah. So he owns it. But how did they own a land in Maldives from outside?
Lots of money. Then over here they have part of the boatyard.
What is this?
This is part of the boatyard, so they will refurbish boats.
Oh.
So you can see this is the entrance. This is the entrance to the mangrove. So the ocean water will travel during low tide and high tide and enter the mangrove, and that's how the water keeps circulating. And that's how the sharks will enter. So smaller and bigger sharks.
So you still have bigger sharks out here?
Yeah, from there. But the thing is, smaller sharks will find their way in, and then they will stay within the area to feed, and then they will leave once they're bigger. And then straight ahead, the area over there, that's the